As I explained in the notes, we're going to look at MailMerge this week, which lets us merge a listing of names and addresses into a letter so we can quickly create and address the same letter to many people. The first step, we're going to do this in two different steps. The first step will be to create the list of names, and then in the second video we'll see how to merge those list of names into the standard letter. To create the list of names, open up OpenOffice, and I just have a plain document here. Click on Tools, Mail Merge Wizard. We will use the current document as the starting document. We want it to be a letter, so I'll click Next. And I want to create the address list, so click on the Select Address List choice, and then click Create Address List. Here is where we will put the names, addresses of each of the individual people we want on the list. So for example, the first person I'll type in will be George Washington. I'll put his street, his city, state, and then down at the bottom, the very last field is gender. You'll find that you want to include the gender for people so OpenOffice will know to start the salutation as Dear Mr. or Dear Ms. or Dear Mrs. and so forth. So putting the gender field in is really helpful when it comes to customizing the letter. So after we add the other, and you can enter other information in, you don't have to completely fill this out. Once you've entered all the information, for one person, click New, and you can enter in information for the second person. So I'll just quickly type one more record. And then again, we want to go all the way down to gender, so that will help us when it comes to addressing the letters. So when you've completed adding people, click OK. For the first time, it's going to ask you for the name of the list. So I'm typing my list of names. I'm going to save it to the desktop. And then I would select that list, and you can see current address list is my list of names. The next video, we'll see how to take the list of names, create the base document, and do the mail merge.